Hello, my lovely Capricorns. Caps, you are sitting in the energy of the High Priestess. You're not saying very much, but you are highly intuitive. You're using your intuition to guide you at this time, guide you out of confusion with the Seven of Cups. You may be trying to make a decision as to whether or not you should let a situation go. Maybe you felt someone tried to betray you and the trust is gone. Or whether or not you should try and rebuild the connection with the energy of the world. Should you try again? You don't really know what you're going to do, but you are going to be using your intuition. So Caps, have a great week ahead and I'll see you soon. Bye now.